China is a great culture in itself that dates back to many centuries and thousands of years. So you have your own great Chinese music. I'm a great fan of Chinese music. I've learned to play your famous Butterfly Lovers, and I think we should in exchange also be more curious about your culture and playing your works.
Even though there is a massive difference between the French culture, the English culture and the Chinese culture, I feel like musical theatre is absolutely universal and it leads us to living beautiful emotions, and it's the same language for every single person.
Will you share? Coming over here, it's almost as if all the fans care about is just the text, just the character, and without any regard of commercial values, which is really kind of refreshing. We can handle that.
Performing in Shanghai is very different because I feel Journey to the West is a novel that comes from China and the audience are very familiar with the story. So it was for me a little bit exciting to share our version of Journey to the West. So for me, it started in China and in Shanghai to bring the first meeting and idea into a full realized production to Shanghai is very exciting.
So I love this country and I'm very happy to be back. Shanghai is a great place that lives through many times through different cultures. There's a mix of cultures, so it's a great cosmopolitan city that embraces many traditions, yet preserving its own identity and style.
I've been to China before when I was much younger. I played The Little Prince here in Shanghai and I started my career here and I loved it. I really do like Shanghai. It's an amazing city, full of diversity, full of lovely people.
I think people have such a big heart here. They're so welcoming. They're so thirsty for art. I felt like it wasn't just me dancing on stage and who dancing on stage. I felt like the entire auditorium was dancing with us on stage. So I have never ever in 32 years of my life experienced that type of love and expression and gratitude towards a dance.
The theatres especially attract me. I think from what I hear in the past 25 years there's been a massive kind of increase in theatrical output from Shanghai. So I'd say the increase in kind of theatrical output is something that's really attractive in Shanghai, as well as the gorgeous scenery and the skyscrapers. So both sides of the city are really astonishing. Definitely go up the Shanghai Tower, that's a great view. But also check out the Yuyuan Gardens, that's really nice. You get to see a stone that's 1,000 years old. And also try some of the food. The eyebrow cake that we had, don't get that in the UK. And the dumplings were also very nice as well. Nice bit of crab in the middle. So that would be a few things on the bucket list for sure.
Shanghai!
Shanghai.
Shanghai.
Shanghai,
Let's meet for arts.